So how did you become interested in Yiddish?
I don't know. I thought it was interesting because I understood some words when I'd listen, because some, especially the Germanic-based words. I mostly wanted to learn it so that I wouldn't be a Deutschmer and wouldn't be like, oh, I understand this because I know German. I wanted to actually learn it and learn it to read Yiddish literature in the original. And I guess really reading Hearst Rasainer really got me interested. And learning about how crazy, Ina Grata was, and the fact that there's manuscripts that haven't been read makes me want to, made me want to learn it and makes me want to continue. Because when one of the grad students at Clark, Johanna Silva, talked about, Chaim Grata, and she told us about his life and the story, and she's like, yeah, and he had this wife, and she, had all this stuff from him that she wouldn't allow to be published. And I was like, what? This one story is so good. How could she not, let these other poems and stories be published? So that's what got me interested in Yiddish. And particularly the fact that it's a fusion language. It's, written in Hebrew letters. It has Hebrew in it, has Slavic languages in it, has German in it. I don't know. It's a language of migration. I don't know. That's what, made me want to learn Yiddish. And I also wanted to understand more of, my Jewish identity through the past. That's why I learned Yiddish.